Hi, I'd love to share the difference between attending an online workshop with PSYCH K versus an in-person workshop for the basic workshop. So we just are opening, which is really exciting, an opportunity for people to learn PSYCH K online if they're not able to come to an in-person one. So some of the advantages of choosing the online workshop, the ones that are more called to learn in this way, would be for one, if you're ready to just work with yourself, because in the online workshop you will be learning how to work with yourself using PSYCH K, and you learn one balance change process that helps assist you with that, with making changes where you may feel like you have blocks or limitations, things like that, and you get to be able to clear that path and help you live in a much more living way of living in the flow, harmony, peace, and love. All these beautiful changes we get to do. And then the other thing with the online workshop, especially for those that may not be able to actually go to an in-person one, so maybe there are some limitations in that realm. So the convenience of being able to stay at home in your own home place, and we will be using Zoom to connect, and you will connect with others, and they could be from all over. So you'll still connect with the spiritual family, which is beautiful. It'll just be for the 3 days of the workshop through Zoom and online. And you still make all the balance changes that you're looking for, that this is a spiritual process. So you'll be getting permission with, we call it your superconscious mind, that part of you making sure it's safe and appropriate before you make any changes, and then you get to transform amazingly. So the gift with the online workshop is, because you'll just be working with yourself, you get to, in simplicity with just one balance change process, is to start really diving deep and transforming all the things you're ready for within yourself, so that your outside world can also change. So at the end of the 3rd day of the online workshop, you will be connecting with others that are learning alongside you through Zoom, and then you will be sharing and offering for each other, so you can learn how to support another PSYCH K facilitator, which is beautiful, and also get that support and connection too. You also will have a video from Bruce Lipton, and we will be showing, it's a 70-minute video, so you can learn more of the science. He made a specific video just for this workshop, so that's the other advantage. So one limitation with going to the online is that you will still need to go to the in-person workshop, and then if you want to go to the higher levels of PSYCH K and the other PSYCH K workshops, which are all in person and live with that. So sometimes the online workshop is a perfect gateway for all your prep work, all your work for yourself that many of us would love to be able to do for ourselves and prepare ourselves to then be able to be a service to others and work with others, which you will learn in the basic workshop and beyond. So I think it's a beautiful offering. I'm glad we're going to be offering this. My first one I'll be offering will be, right now it's scheduled for November 2021. I'll send more information out about that. So beautiful. Now the in-person one that we've always been offering and doing is a 3-day workshop, and you learn 2 balance change processes. You learn how to work with yourself and others, so that way you can be of service for your own self with your own changes you're ready for within yourself, and then also the changes that you're ready ready to help and assist for others. So it may be friends, family, co-workers, children, and clients, and you can charge this for a service for others. And then with the in-person first basic workshop with PSYCH K, you get to then move on if and when you are ready into the advanced workshop that we offer, a master workshop we offer, and going through the advanced, then you can go to the divine integration and health and well-being. So that is the offerings that we have. I hope that this video was helpful for those who are considering and wanted to have more information of which is the better path for them to take. So you have the answer within you, so listen to that guidance. You also are welcome to reach out to me if you go to my website, igniteandhealyourlife.com, and click the contact us. You're welcome to send me an email, and we can set a time up to talk, and I'm very happy to help answer any more questions you may have. Have a beautiful day.